Plant-based moisturizing. Plant-based moisturizing has gained popularity in recent years due to increasing concerns about the negative effects of synthetic ingredients on our health and the environment. As people become more conscious about what they put on their bodies, there is a growing demand for natural and sustainable alternatives. Plant-based moisturizers offer a plethora of benefits, not only for our skin, but also for our overall well-being. Firstly, plant-based moisturizers are typically free from harsh chemicals and toxic ingredients that can cause skin irritation and allergies. Many commercial moisturizers contain artificial fragrances, preservatives, and synthetic oils, which can clog pores and lead to breakouts. Plant-based moisturizers, on the other hand, are typically made from botanical extracts and essential oils that have natural nourishing properties, making them a safer and gentler option for sensitive skin. Furthermore, plant-based moisturizers are known for their high content of vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids, which provide deep hydration and nourishment to the skin. For instance, shea butter and cocoa butter, derived from the nuts of African trees, are widely used in plant-based moisturizers due to their ability to lock in moisture and improve skin elasticity. These natural ingredients not only prevent dryness, but also promote a radiant and youthful complexion. Moreover, plant-based moisturizers are often rich in natural oils such as jojoba oil, almond oil, and argan oil, which possess excellent moisturizing and healing properties. These oils are easily absorbed by the skin, creating a protective barrier that helps to prevent water loss and maintain the skin's moisture balance. They also contain fatty acids that nourish the skin and strengthen its natural barrier function, resulting in a smoother and healthier complexion. In addition to benefiting our skin, plant-based moisturizing also has positive implications for the environment. The production of synthetic moisturizers often involves the use of petroleum-based ingredients, which are derived from non-renewable resources and contribute to environmental degradation. Plant-based moisturizers, on the other hand, utilize renewable resources such as fruits, seeds, and nuts, reducing their carbon footprint and promoting sustainability. Furthermore, the cultivation of plants for moisturizers can have positive impacts on local communities and economies. Many plant-based moisturizer brands prioritize fair trade practices, ensuring that farmers and workers receive fair wages and working conditions. By supporting these brands, consumers can contribute to the empowerment of marginalized communities and the preservation of traditional farming practices. Lastly, using plant-based moisturizers aligns with an overall holistic approach to wellness. Many people who choose plant-based moisturizers also follow a plant-based diet and advocate for a more sustainable lifestyle. By incorporating natural skincare products into their routine, they embrace a philosophy of self-care that extends beyond their bodies and encompasses the well-being of the planet. In conclusion, plant-based moisturizing offers a multitude of advantages, both for our skin and the environment. From being free from harsh chemicals to providing deep hydration and nourishment, these moisturizers have gained popularity among those seeking natural and sustainable alternatives. By choosing plant-based moisturizers, we not only benefit our skin, but also contribute to a greener and more ethical beauty industry. I hope this information on plant-based moisturizing was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more tips and topics on plant-based living, vegan diets, vegan recipes, plant-based smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching.